Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open the bonnet on your Land Rover Discovery 4. First, locate the bonnet release lever, typically found on the passenger side footwell. Give it a firm pull to disengage the primary latch. You'll hear a click, indicating it's released. Now, head to the front of your vehicle to complete the opening procedure. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Once at the front, you'll need to find the secondary safety latch. This crucial mechanism is designed to prevent the bonnet from flying open unexpectedly. Reach your hand into the gap created by the initial release, just above the grille. Feel around for a small lever or tab, usually positioned near the center of the bonnet's leading edge. It might be slightly recessed. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the secondary latch located, either push it to the side or pull it upwards, depending on your specific model. You'll feel the bonnet give way. Now, gently lift the bonnet all the way up. It should stay open on its own, but always double-check that the support strut is fully engaged. This ensures the bonnet remains safely open while you work, preventing any accidental closures. Sometimes the bonnet might not unlatch easily. If this happens, check for any obstructions around the latch area. A little lubrication on the latch mechanism can also work wonders, ensuring smooth operation over time. Remember, never force the bonnet open or closed. If you encounter significant resistance, stop and investigate the cause to avoid damage. Patience is key here.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.